Welcome back to IPEK's Wicked Kitchen. We've been lacking off with cooking shows, but we're back. So today I have a pretty good idea what most of you might like. I'm going to show you how to make those little, the muffins, but this one is going to be a little tricky. It's going to be called egg mini frittata. So only thing different is it's gonna have some vegetables in there and bacon, which is everybody's favorite. So I have 8 eggs. I have a cup of cheddar cheese, shredded, a 1 medium-sized zucchini chopped, 1 shallot, onion chopped, chop, and bacon, 1 cup. I have my Italian seasoning. It's about 2 teaspoons. The garlic powder, the drill, and the onion powder, oregano, pepper, garlic powder, etc. And then I have a 1/4 cup heavy milk. You can use, this is whipping cream, but you can also use milk. Since we're still doing low carb, keto style, we don't want a lot of carbs in there. So first thing first, I'm going to whip some eggs. Better than whipping butts, right? Okay, so we're gonna count 1, 2, 3, right? And make sure they are room temperature. I took them out like an hour before. So everything has to be room temperature when you're cooking, baking, meat, chicken. Okay, so I'm not a fan of the machine, the whip. I'm old-fashioned gal. Okay, so pretty good. Now I have to add my cream, heavy whipped cream. Okay, in the meantime, I want to turn my oven on. Okay, I'm going to turn the oven 350 while I'm making this, okay? Now I'm going to add my rest of the stuff, which is the zucchini. And then I'm going to add my onions. And oh, it's already smelling good, guys. And these are great to go in the morning for breakfast for your kids or family. Then I have the bacon crumbs. You can make it smaller, a little bigger. I like them little bigger pieces so I can bite into it. Then I have the seasoning, and I think this is pretty much it. Then the half of the cheese, and then half of it we're gonna spread it on top. So now I need the scooper, so I gotta get a spoon. Okay, so we have to spray our cups. So I got this avocado spray. Don't stick to the pan. So we're going to add our mix. So here's some. A little bit here. You might have enough for a little bit there. Wow, I didn't even know that we were gonna have. Now you can certainly make 12 and using smaller cups, but I have the big ones, and since we're 2 people, big ones are plenty. Now we're gonna top them again with our half of the cheese I saved. Okay, so got more cheese I shredded. I realized it takes more than the cup. These are gonna be big. So we're going in the oven for 22 minutes. But I'm gonna do it like 18 minutes first, and then I'll increase it. Okay, we're gonna check them out, okay? 15 minutes in. See what look like. Oh, wow. They're rising pretty nice. And we'll give them another 5 minutes, guys. And then we'll come back. We're done 22 minutes. Wow. It's good. Looking good, girlfriend. It smells good. Like cheddar cheese. Very, very nice. Okay, there you have it, guys. Egg frittata. And I'm gonna cut it in half just to see what the inside looks like. Look, it's smoking. And wow, it's yummy. Super yummy. I'm not kidding you. I wish you guys were here. You can't smell, you can't taste, but it's super yummy, delicious. It's the best eggs I've ever made. Okay, see you next time. Follow me around.